You just spent 20 minutes scrubbing your floors to a mirror finish. And then the back door flies open. In comes the dog with paws that look like they were dipped in chocolate pudding. It is the ultimate household nightmare that happens every single time it rains. People are losing their minds over this viral rug that claims to stop the chaos before it even starts. They call it the muddy mat, and the hype is actually backed by some pretty interesting science. It uses these tiny chenille fibers that stick up like little fingers. These fingers create a massive surface area that grabs onto water and dirt the second a foot or a paw touches them. It is not just a regular rug, because it is designed to act like a giant sponge for your entryway. The secret is in the microfiber technology. This material is incredibly thirsty. When your pet walks across it, the fibers reach deep into those little crevices between their toes. It pulls out the mud that a normal carpet would just let pass through. One of the best features for anyone with slippery floors is the heavy-duty non-slip backing. It stays exactly where you put it, which is a huge deal for safety. You do not want a rug that turns into a slip and slide the moment a wet dog hits it at full speed. Most of the cheap versions of this product fail right there because they slide around or fall apart in the wash. This one actually holds its ground. Now it is not all sunshine and rainbows, because there is a trade-off for all that absorption. This thing holds so much liquid that it stays wet for a long time. If you live in a place where it rains for 3 days straight, you might run into a problem. If the mat stays damp, it can start to get that funky, musty smell that we all hate. You have to stay on top of the laundry cycle to keep it fresh. The good news is that you can just toss the whole thing in the washing machine. That is a massive win compared to those old school rubber mats that you have to spray down with a hose in the freezing cold. You just have to make sure you give it enough time to dry out completely before you put it back on duty. People are reporting that even after dozens of washes, the grip on the bottom stays strong. That is rare because usually that sticky backing starts to flake off and leave white dust everywhere. It feels like a real utility tool rather than just another piece of home decor. If you are tired of living in a mud zone, this might be the most practical upgrade you can find right now. It is about reclaiming your time and not spending every Saturday morning with a mop in your hand. The market is flooded with knockoffs, but the durability of the original seems to be what keeps people coming back. It handles the heavy lifting of a busy household and saves your hardwood floors from permanent damage. You get what you pay for when it comes to keeping the outside world from moving indoors. It is a simple solution to a messy problem that has plagued homeowners forever. Think about all those times you had to chase a golden retriever through the living room with a towel. This aims to end that chase forever. The texture is surprisingly soft, too. It is not scratchy or stiff like those coconut husk mats that shed everywhere. It feels more like a plush bath mat, but with the cleaning power of an industrial scrubber. It is a strange combination that works surprisingly well for high-traffic areas. If you have kids coming in from soccer practice with wet cleats, you know exactly how fast a hallway can get ruined. This mat acts like a gatekeeper. It is one of those rare gadgets that actually lives up to the social media videos. You see the mud disappear in the clip and you think it must be a trick. But the physics of high-density microfiber do not lie. It is all about how much moisture a single thread can hold. When you multiply that by thousands of tennille loops, you get a serious defense system. Just remember to check the tag for washing instructions. Avoid the high heat in the dryer if you want that grip to last for years. Treat it right and your floors will finally stay clean.